If you want to add a repeating pattern to a model, it's very easy to do using the array modifier. I want to add a paw-shaped pattern around this cylinder. First, I need the cylinder itself and the paw model. The first step is to add an empty object around which the pattern will be repeated. Next, select the object to be repeated, go to the modifier section, and add an array modifier. To repeat the pattern around the cylinder, uncheck the relative offset checkbox, select Object Offset, expand the settings, and select the previously added empty mesh in the object field. Next, select the number of repetitions. I'll set it to 25, his should be enough. As you can see, nothing has changed. That's because all the repetitions are in the same location. Rotate the empty mesh around its axis to make the copies appear. I added too many, so I need to reduce the number. As you reduce the number, you also need to increase the rotation angle of the empty object. Once you've finished adjusting the settings, click the drop-down at the top of the modifier and select Apply. Next, I need a pattern along the entire cylinder, so I'll use the array modifier again, but with different settings. This time, I'll use a relative offset. Next, I need to select the axis along which the pattern will repeat. In my case, the vertical z-axis. For convenience, I'll offset the paw circle toward the bottom of the cylinder. Then, select the number of repetitions so that the pattern extends along the entire cylinder. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, select Apply. Now let's apply the pattern to the cylinder itself. Select the cylinder and go to the Modifiers section. Then, find the Boolean modifier and select it. Make sure Difference Mode is selected, and in the Solver Options menu, select Self-Intersection. In the Object field, select the pattern and choose Apply. Now you have an object with a repeating pattern on its surface.